Hello children, you are able to see this picture. This picture is of Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, and the poem The Good Play is written by him. Robert Louis Stevenson was born in Scotland. Okay, and he wrote many adventurous stories also. So children, you are able to see the different means of pictures. Okay, we know that train moves on tracks, air balloons, rockets, missiles, helicopters and all on air, bus, scooter, ambulance and all on road, and ship, it moves on, it sails on water, seas, rivers. Up ships are also of different sizes. There are big boat होता है ना, they are small, quite small, isn't it? Steamer भी होते हैं, है ना? तो वो सब कहाँ चलते हैं? वो सब पानी में चलते हैं. तो in this poem we are going to study about a ship. Okay, in imagination hai, and chalo I am going to show you some pictures of ship now. Okay children, just have a look. So ships sails on water. Okay, and the person who ride the sails is known as sailor. So this is a boat. Okay, and this is a cargo ship. Cargo ship वो होता है which carry goods. Goods मतलब सामान, products from one country to another country or from one place to another. It also carry petroleum products भी carry करता है. Okay, and now the next picture, this ship is known as cruise ship. It's a very luxury ship. बहुत luxury होता है इसके अंदर. Children, do you know swimming pools, bathrooms, hotels and all, each and every room, dining room, kitchen room, बहुत कुछ होता है इसके अंदर. It's a luxury. So the Robert Louis Stevenson in his imagination, childhood imagination, वो खेलता है, ठीक है, अपने फ्रेंड टॉम के साथ में. ओके, तो वो बचपन में दोनों दिखाया हुआ. सी इन द पिक्चर, वन इज रॉबर्ट लुइस स्टीवेंसन एंड वन इज टॉम. सो दे आर सेइंग दैट वी बिल्ट अ शिप अपॉन द स्टेयर्स. मतलब सीढ़ी में वो लोग, दे on the staircase, these are known as staircase, they make a ship. Now they are building a ship, and how they are building it? They're building the ship upon the stairs, all made of the back bedroom chairs. मतलब जो chairs होते हैं, they use the chairs, okay, and उसमें filled it with sofa pillows to go a sailing on the billows. मतलब they filled it with sofas, pillows जो होते हैं ना, pillow on the sofa which is kept, and the chairs also, and they are using it for sailing. They are sitting on the chair and they are using it for as a sailing on the billows. मतलब waves, ऐसे जैसे लग रहा है वो लोग चेयर में बैठ के waves, पानी में जो लहर आती है ना, the waves on the seas, लहर को हम लोग waves बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, and they are experiencing that they are getting waves. Okay, they are playing, they are मतलब पानी के लहर में वो लोग तैर रहे हैं. The ship is sailing on the waves of the. Now what happens is that, okay, we took a saw and several nails. वो लोग ने क्या लिया? Saw. Saw means the carpenter which used to make something of furnitures. Furnitures he uses saw. हसुआ जैसे बोलते हैं हम लोग in हिंदी. आरी and several nails. Nails मतलब the pins, and उसे ठोकने के लिए we use hammer. कांटी को हम लोग बोलते हैं nails, okay, in English. And they even took a water in the bucket, in the nursery pails. And Tom, he's saying that let us take cake also, an apple and a slice of cake. Even they took an apple and a slice of cake, which was enough for Tom and me to go a sailing on till tea. मतलब वो लोग इसीलिए ले जाते हैं ताकि वो लोग शाम के टाइम में, during evening time में, they can have it as a snacks. An apple and a slice of cake, they can go, okay, they are imagining, okay, on the ship they are sitting and they are eating that. Okay, so this imaginations they are doing and they are playing, they are enjoying very much. So they are saying now we sailed along for days and days. मतलब the poet, okay, and Tom, both of them they sailed for this. They were playing this game for days and days. ठीक है, बहुत दिनों तक वो लोग खेला, enjoy किया, and had the very best of plays. Means it was their best play. Whatever the game they used to play, this was their best. सबसे अच्छा game उन लोगों को वही लगता था. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee. One day what happened? Tom, he fell down and hurt his knee. मतलब उसके घुटने में चोट लग गया. It started bleeding. So he started crying, and now he is unable to play it. Okay, and he starts crying because he got hurt on his knee. He fell down from the stairs and got hurt, so he could not play. And only now, so there was no one left but me. Only the author Robert Louis Stevenson was left now. ठीक है, और कोई भी नहीं था वहाँ पे, and no one was left. He alone was left. So alone, what he will play, isn't it? Alone he cannot play it. So the play was ended over here only. The ship imagination play, the ship sail was ended over here. They stopped playing, and here the poem it ends. So as there was no one left, he alone cannot play. He alone was unable to play. So he stopped playing, both of them, and the game was over here. So this is a chapter named A Good Play. Here I had already explained you that what is a ship. A ship is a means of transport. Okay, there are two types of ships. One is used for business purpose, such as transporting goods or cargo. So the which is used to transport goods, those are known as cargo ship. And the other type of ship is used by people for traveling from one place to another. Which is used to traveling one place to another, मतलब एक place से दूसरे place में travel करने के लिए. Sometimes people also travel by a cruise ship, isn't it? I had shown you the picture earlier. The luxury ship is known as cruise ship. It is a passenger ship used for pleasure travel. Pleasure travel means luxurious traveling के लिए, pleasure आनंद उठाने के लिए. It has facilities such as restaurant, a swimming pool, a gym, and a club. It takes the passengers to different places. Okay. So now let's start reading a poem about the mischiefs of the two friends. We built a ship upon the stairs. We over here, the poet, the Robert Louis Stevenson, and his friend Tom. Okay, a ship upon the stairs. कहाँ पे? Where did they build? Upon the stairs. CD. All made of the back bedroom chairs. So what is the ship made of? The ship is made of chairs. Okay, back bedroom chairs, the chairs which were kept on the bedroom or the backyard, and filled it with full of sofa pillows. The chairs were filled it up with sofa pillows. The cushions, pillows, sofa pillows, they were filled it up. To go a sailing on the billows. Billows means waves. So they had made a ship just to use it as a playing purpose. Okay, on the stairs they had made an imagination ship, imaginatory ship बनाया है. And for what purpose? किस purpose के लिए? कि ताकि उसमें वो खेल सके बैठ के waves में, लहर में जैसे ship चलाता ना वैसे they can sail the ship. Sorry. Next is we took a saw and several nails. तो saw means आड़ी, an object or a tool used to cut wood or anything, जिससे आप क्या कट कर सकते हो. Carpenter uses especially carpenter uses it to cut wood. फर्नीचर जिससे बनता है ना, वुड से बनता है, isn't it? तो वो वुड को काटते हैं और फर्नीचर्स बनाते हैं और any other things like that. And several nails. Nails means pins. And water in the nursery pails. Now nursery pails क्या है? Nursery pails is a bucket type. ठीक है, स्मॉल बकेट टाइप, अ यंग चाइल्ड्स रूम, जहाँ पे नर्सरी एक मतलब वाटर इन द नर्सरी पेल्स मीन्स पानी की बकेट लिए हुए. ठीक है, छोटे बच्चे के जो पानी की बकेट होती है उसमें लेके हुए. एंड टॉम सेड लेट अस आल्सो टेक एन एप्पल एंड अ स्लाइस ऑफ केक. देन टॉम सेज लेट्स इवन टेक एप्पल एंड अ स्लाइस ऑफ केक. अब क्यों? खाने के लिए, फॉर ईटिंग पर्पस. फिर which was enough for Tom and me. Enough means here plenty. ठीक है, मतलब ये काफ़ी था. Plenty means बहुत था हम दोनों के लिए. हम दोनों means the poet himself, Robert Louis Stevenson, and his friend Tom, to have it as a snacks, as on a tea. To go a sailing until tea means हम लोग sail करेंगे और शाम के टाइम में चाय के वक्त में during tea time we will have an apple and a slice of cake. Then they says that we sailed along for days and days means several days they had sailed. Okay, बहुत सारे दिन तक तो लोग sail किया, खेले हैं. And had the very best of plays means whatever the game yet till now they have played, this was their best game. मतलब जितने भी games खेले हैं इन लोगों ने, सबसे best इनका यही game था. कौन सा game? The ship game, which they had built it upon the stairs. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee. अब क्या हुआ? Tom गिर गया. He fell down from the stairs and hurt his knee. उसके घुटने में चोट लग गया. See, the blood is coming. He is bleeding. So there was no one left but me. मतलब अब कोई नहीं बच गया, सिर्फ Robert Louis Stevenson, he himself was left. अकेला रॉबर्ट ही रह चुका था, तो अकेला वो क्या खेलेगा? The play was closed. Okay, hope you have understood this. Now read this, okay, and learn the poem. Now let's come to meaning part. See, billows means waves. Saw, an object or a tool used to cut wood or anything hard. Nursery, a young child's room. Pails, buckets. Enough means plenty. What you are going to do? You are going to learn this meaning. Okay, you are going to learn this meaning and write it down in your copy.